Welcome to the COMC Community Spotlight Show, brought to you, of course, by the amazing folks at Central Ozarks Medical Center, where your health is their mission. And it just so happens we've got the big dog, the big cheese, the lady that runs it all. It's Kelly Miller, the CEO of COMC, with us. Thank you for coming by. You're so busy, it's hard to get you here for the shows.
But I love being here.
Yeah.
And I appreciate you guys making time for me this morning.
We always just sit here and laugh. I mean, we never get the show started on time.
Yeah, no comment.
You wouldn't believe, some of the stuff. You have got some amazingly exciting news this time around coming up. Can you tell people of the big breaking news with COMC?
We want to start with the breaking news or all the fun events? You tell me.
Let's start with the big breaking news.
Okay, the big breaking news is, as of June 1st, Central Ozarks Medical Center is going to be located at HyVee in Osage Beach. We are officially going to be taking over the Boone Health Clinic, and it has been an exciting adventure, and it's going to be so amazing for our community. The Barnabys, Doctors Paul and Maria, are going to stay. They're going to join Central Ozarks Medical Center. It's going to be the same amazing team that's already there taking care of the community and the patients. Still family practice and pediatrics, but it's just going to be Central Ozarks Medical Center.
Wow. So, I mean, you guys in the last few years have expanded so much.
We have.
You've grown so much. I mean, I think originally started in Richland and then Osage Beach and Camdenton. The last few years, Lori and Eldon expanded the facility in Camdenton, and now this right there in the heart of Osage Beach.
So exciting, and right in front of our other clinic. So we'll still have our other Osage Beach location with Dr. Haney leading the family practice, both of our OB-GYNs, we have Dr. Klein with pediatrics in that location, but we'll just be expanding down into to HyVee to keep those wonderful providers in the community and to just kind of expand our square footage and the access we provide. It's such a convenient location, right? Yeah. You're going in, you're not feeling well, your kiddo's not feeling well, you can stop in there. There's the great HyVee pharmacy to take care of you. It's just so convenient as a parent or a community member.
Yeah, right there. And of course, plenty of parking.
So much parking. We need it, right?
Like
we struggle. Parking is a premium.
Yeah.
And just, great community partners. And like I said, the Barnabys have been in the community since 2007. So just so proud to be able to keep them here and keep their patients being served.
Well, and since we're talking about expanding and new buildings and everything, you've got a new facility coming in Crocker, I think.
We do. This has been I'm going to call it a labor of love. We purchased the old health department building. It's probably been a couple years ago.
Yeah.
And we just broke ground on the renovation on March 25th. And I think it's going to be about 6 months, but it'll be a full service location, really focused on serving the communities of Iberia, Crocker, Dixon, and kind of that side of our service area. Medical, dental, behavioral health, and eventually we'll have a small pharmacy in that location.
Wow. And you just added a pharmacy in the Camdenton location,
We
right?
are.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. I hope it's going to open in July.
Okay.
It has been a learning experience and a whole new process, but that's what healthcare is. It's just always changing. Don't forget we have the optometry unit that's going to be coming. It's here and delivered. We're still looking for an optometrist to take care of the kiddos at the school next year, but just a lot of exciting things going on at the health center.
I don't know how you keep it all straight. I mean,
I have an amazing team.
Yeah, because there's like 1,000 different things going on.
Moving pieces all the time.
All the time, yeah. And then on top of all of that, I mean, all of these facilities and the new facilities coming in, you're doing events in the community all the time.
So important.
I think you just got done with one this weekend, right?
We did. So we had our first annual 5K, which was a color run and a blast. Again, great community partners that came together. We hosted it at the YMCA. We had several sponsors step up locally, which was amazing. We raised over $3,000 for our patient assistance fund. So our patients that come to us who need assistance with dentures or even testing. So like somebody needs a colonoscopy or a mammogram at Lake Regional or somewhere in Jeff City, we can financially access that patient assistance fund. So that's what those dollars raised go for. And we had a great farmers market / health fair afterwards. So health departments, local vendors, all kinds of nonprofits. The Changing Table was there. Renegade Farms, if you're not familiar with them. Just a really great group of individuals that came out to support the community, and it was so well received.
And this was
the
your
pictures
first
were
one.
great. Yes, this was our first 5K, and it was a blast. It was my first color run.
Wow.
So, yeah, they got me with the blue at the end. But it was a great time. We had I think we had about 70 runners despite the weather. So it's going to be the first Saturday of April every year. So you can mark your calendar now.
There you go. First Saturday of April every year.
Every year.
The fun run, the 5K.
Yep.
And then you've got the golf tournament coming up too, right?
Coming up May 5th. Cinco de Mayo this year. Going back to Bear Creek. And again, so this year I think the theme is putting for patients. So all proceeds go into our patient assistance fund, sponsorship opportunities, get your team of 4 together, come out and play some golf and contribute to the community. That's what it's about at a federally qualified health center.
Yeah. So we were talking about all the growth. You got the new place coming in adjacent to HyVee. It's in the same building.
Same building.
Right there.
2 entrances. You can either the external entrance, or if you're shopping, you can go in internally
Yeah.
too.
I mean, you can't make it any easier.
It is so easy.
We've all done that. And then we kind of hit on a little bit the expansion in the Camdenton facility.
It is finished. The construction is complete.
We're done.
Good. We're good.
And all that expansion included urgent dental care, right?
It did, which has been so amazing for our community. So Monday through Friday, walk-in hours are available. You don't have to call first, but what has really, really made an impact is the Saturday hours. We're 8 to noon. It's first come, first serve. Like I said, you don't have to call first. You just come in. We do offer only limited services, but it's truly been a blessing for the community. It's important to keep people out of the emergency department. Toothaches and emergency departments just don't go together.
No.
And so whatever we can do to help out and alleviate some of that traffic through the emergency department, that's what we're here for.
And if anybody has ever had tooth pain,
It's the worst.
Oh my gosh.
Monday morning tooth pain before work, it's horrible.
And now there's an answer for
Now
that.
there's an answer. We'll take care of you.
Unbelievable. I can't believe we're getting all this breaking news.
I know,
from
it's great.
COMC.
It's been an amazing year.
Yeah, it has. Okay, so we'll have more with Kelly Miller, the CEO of COMC, when we come back on the Community Spotlight Show. Central Ozarks Medical Center, voted Missouri's best and best at the lake, is recruiting team members due to growth. Amazing employment opportunities for both medical and non-medical positions with competitive salaries and outstanding perks. For more information, go to the Careers tab at centralozarks.org. COMC for the best medical, dental, and behavioral health care. Join a leader. Join our team. COMC, where your health is our mission. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, Lake TV's got it all. We think it's hot stuff when things cool down. We spring into action when things start warming up. Of course, summer is one big, huge shootout on Lake TV. And we fall in love all over again when autumn rolls around. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, Lake TV's got it all.
Don't miss out on your favorite show. Watch Lake TV on demand on YouTube, Roku, and Fire TV.
Welcome back to the COMC Community Spotlight Show. The CEO of COMC, Kelly Miller, with us here today. She's so busy, getting her in here is always difficult to do, but so thank you for taking the time. So you guys offer service, senior health care, OB-GYN, that is a huge area, very needed area of healthcare in our area.
Absolutely. We are so blessed to have amazing OB-GYN providers at Central Ozarks. So Dr. Macias and Dr. Chisholm, both located at our Osage Beach clinic. They are phenomenal. We take Medicaid, we self-pay, which really isn't a big deal in Missouri, but because a lot of times we can help with our community health workers getting the moms covered through Medicaid if needed. And then private insurance, obviously. It's just so important that we take care of those moms here. When you're pregnant, I've got 3, so I know, you don't want to be driving to Jeff City and Columbia. When it happens in the middle of the night and the water breaks, you want a local provider. And we just are so blessed at Central Ozarks Medical Center to have 2 great OB-GYNs. And then after delivery, we've got pediatrics, Dr. Klein, Dr. Wadley here in Laurie. Well, not here, but close to here, right? Like, it's the lake, it's all here.
Yeah.
But in Laurie, and then also she is in Camdenton part-time. Plus, I mentioned we've got Dr. Barnaby that's going to be joining. Dr. Maria will provide pediatrics at the HyVee Osage Beach location. So really have it covered after you deliver. And then what's so important when you're expecting and or you're a little one, right, is the dental services. You just cannot talk about that enough. So we are blessed in Missouri for those moms who have Medicaid coverage. They get dental coverage for up to a year after delivery. And so really just making sure that you're taken care of and you're healthy, and then getting those little ones in. Our dentists love taking care of the kiddos. They do those little lap visits. That's your first kind of visit with a dentist, just to start getting your kids familiar so they're not scared, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
My daughter was a scared dental patient. It took a long time for her to, not be so nervous. So getting the kiddos in for those first visits is really critical.
And dental is another huge area. I think you've got a new dentist.
Yeah, we have two, I think, coming.
Wow.
Yeah. So we're going to be adding Dr. Maya in Camdenton. And then we're going to have Dr. Fowers will be joining in July in our Richland clinic. I think he's going to be on the show.
He is going to be on the show, yeah.
So super excited. His mom is one of our psychiatric nurse practitioners, so she's already taking care of our community in important ways, and he'll be joining the dental team. So I actually signed him as a first-year dental student. So he is dedicated to being in this community and to serving our patients.
You've got several like that. I mean,
we do. We're blessed.
It really is amazing. I think the lake helps.
It does, I think. But
it's a good place to live.
It is a good place. It's a great tool for recruitment. But then I think what the blessing is when the providers get here and they bring their families, they realize it kind of feels like a small town.
Yeah.
I'll just tell you, one of the things I always say, Chris, when I'm recruiting these amazing providers is you get the best of both worlds. In the summer, you get that big city, busy feeling. But then when you think, I just can't do it any longer, you kind of goes into the winter months and, the lines are shorter and you get back to the places that everybody knows you. And then you start the cycle again. So for me, it's the best of all worlds.
It's true. I mean, I tell people it is a small town, still rural thinking and everything. But during the summer, I mean, there's millions of people that come through here.
So much to do. And so much for your family to do, right? Outside.
And more all the time.
All the time. Yeah. Plus all the services that you need with great healthcare, a great hospital, so many local nonprofits and charities, and just we live in a blessed community.
We really do. One thing I wanted to bring up before we run out of time is if you go to their website, centralozarks.org, one of the first things you notice is you guys go out of your way. You work really, really hard to make sure anybody who needs help, needs medical care, that you're going to find a way to make it affordable for them.
Absolutely. Again, we are just so lucky as a federally qualified health center to be able to have the sliding fee for our patients for medical, dental, and behavioral health. But beyond that, I know other guests have talked about it, but those community health workers that help our patients with food, electricity, housing, clothing, all of the other things, right? If you can't afford food, how are you going to afford the doctor or your prescriptions or your dental care? So just really wrapping our community around with services, the sliding fee, help with Medicaid, whatever it is, we try to get you taken care of.
Yeah, absolutely. And the people are amazing. One of your top people was telling us a story. Somebody was, they had to stay in the hospital for a while. She went over to their house and fed the dog.
Yeah, absolutely. The things that I hear that my team does, it warms my heart and amazes me every single day.
Okay. So down to our last minute, but if you weren't with us right at the very beginning of the show, you had some amazing breaking news that you are actually adding another facility in Osage Beach inside of the grocery store there.
Yep. So it is the Boone Health Clinic right now in HyVee, but it will be the COMC clinic starting June 1st. I believe we'll start seeing patients on June 8th.
Wow. So that's fast. I mean,
that's fast. It has been an incredibly fast project, but like I said earlier, both of the providers are staying, Dr. Paul and Dr. Maria, who are so beloved by the community, plus the amazing team that they have down there. Everybody's staying. No difference in services. It's just going to be Central Ozarks Medical Center instead of Boone Health.
And you also take care of, in the last few seconds, not just locals, but people who come in to the lake during the summer. You can help them.
Absolutely. So if you're here for vacation and something happens, if it's your second home, your third home, whatever it is, we're happy to help and take care of any of your needs.
Okay, there you go. Now you see why COMC is so great. It's Kelly Miller. For more information, go to centralozarks.org. That is the website. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Good time as always.
And thank you for joining us for the COMC Community Spotlight Show.